Hello creative souls, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to watercolor an avocado in a freehand style without using a sketch. If you enjoyed today's topic, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our new content. All the materials and colors I'm using today are listed in the video description. Let's start by getting to know the lines of the avocado. To draw an avocado, we'll start with a large circle. Slightly above it, draw a smaller circle. Inside the larger circle, draw another one to represent the pit. Now, let's join these two circles together. The avocado pit is slightly pointed. Oops, not that pointed. Let's fix that. There, that's better. More of an oval shape now. Now let's draw the skin of the avocado. At the top end, we'll add a little stem. I'm going to erase the construction line so you can see the final drawing better. I teach the technique for this and many other treats in my book, Watercolor with Flavor, Delicacies Without the Use of a Sketch. In it, you'll learn how to paint delicious things in simple and fun steps. The book is available on Amazon, but for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers, it's currently free, so go ahead and grab your copy. The link to the book is in the video description. Now that we know the basic shape of the avocado, let's start painting. I'm going to use the colors in a very fluid way. Again, the colors are listed in the description. We'll start with a very diluted lemon yellow to create the basic shape of the avocado. While the base is still wet, let's add some yellow-green so the colors blend together smoothly. Using a finer tipped brush, add a bit of olive green. The area near the skin is usually a more vibrant green, so I'm going to add some phthalo green, or viridian if that's what you have at home. Clean your brush with water and soften the edges to blend everything in. While we wait for the base shape to dry a little, I'm going to paint the pit up here as a demonstration. Let's paint a circle using raw sienna. While the circle is still wet, we'll add a bit of burnt umber. Concentrate the pigment more toward the edges of the pit. Now that the avocado base is dry, let's paint the pit just like we did above. Besides the book Watercolor with Flavor, Delicacies Without the Use of a Sketch, I've also written Watercolor Flowers Without the Use of a Sketch, where I teach you how to draw and paint flowers in simple, easy ways. There's also my book, Nature, Watercolor and Drawing Step by Step, where you'll learn to paint trees, rocks, trunks, and bushes. Best of all, they're still free for Amazon Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers. You can find the link to grab your copies right below in the description. This is a beautiful way for us to stay connected and for you to support this channel. While the pit dries, let's work on the skin, which is quite thick. Apply a light wash of phthalo green to the edges of the avocado shape. Notice that the skin is thicker on one side than the other. This gives the drawing some perspective. Mix a bit of phthalo green with burnt umber to create a deeper, darker green, and apply this pigment right along the very edges of the skin. Let's apply a little more burnt umber on the edges of the pit, and there we go, all done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to show some love in the comments and let me know which other fruit you'd love to learn how to watercolor next. And of course, subscribe to the channel so we can keep creating together. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. See you next time, and thanks for watching until the end.
Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.